Good morning. My name is Marlon Estimo. Today, I will demonstrate the post-mortem care procedure. The first procedure is first, we need to check the patient chart to validate the certification of death by physician. Second is to gather all the equipment needed during the procedure. We need to do this to save us time and energy. And third, we need to um, explain the procedure to the patient's significant others and relatives. Once we are done talking to them, we need to perform the hand hygiene and wear gloves. Then after this, we can now provide privacy uh, by closing the curtains and doors. Once the privacy is provided, we can now start performing the procedure. First, we need to remove all the personal belongings of the patients, like the jewelry, eyeglass, also the tube attached, like the catheter and the IV tubing. Once we are done with all the personal belongings and uh, the tube attached to the patient, we can now start and we can now perform the bed bathing. The bed bathing procedure is the same procedure that we did to the patient during when the patient is still alive. Let's start on the face and upper extremities. We can also do the bed bathing on the other side from upper to lower extremities of the patient. Once we are done, we need to uh, put a new clean linen underneath the patient. We can do this by positioning the patient into a side lying position. Once we are done putting the new linens, we have to cover the patient before we remove the soiled linen on top. But we need to make sure we still need to cover and still we can still provide the privacy with the patient. And now, after this, we can now talk to the patient relatives or significant others that they can now view the patient and and then forget to give them time. Once done, we can now position the patient into a comfortable position and put a name tag on the ankle of the patient. Then cover the patient from bottom, from top to bottom. Use the clip if you have clip or a pin. You can also add a name tag additional. Okay. Once the patient is transferred to morgue, we can now do the sanitation and disinfecting the bed. And once we are done sanitizing and disinfecting the bed, we need to perform hand hygiene and remove the gloves. After this, we need to document all the procedure and done. Thank you.